Today, we're gonna have a little fun. Still talking about real estate related, but we're gonna debunk 5 real estate myths that some of you, as a buyer or seller, might have believed in. Hey everyone, welcome back to Quick Tip Tuesday. It's where I'll share everything real estate related under 2 minutes every Tuesday. My name is Vincent Lam. I'm a real estate agent here in Greater Vancouver. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome. And if you're tuning back for another week of episode, welcome back. Thank you so much for watching. But today we're gonna do a little bit something different, a little bit more fun of 5 real estate myths that some of you guys might have believed as a buyer or seller. So we're just gonna get right into it. Hopefully I can get this under 2 minutes, these 5 points. So here we go, let's hit the clock. All real estate agents are the same. They are not the same. Clearly you have bad experiences, clearly you have really good experiences. You got an expert on condos, experts on luxury, mansions. So they are not the same. Every agent has a unique skill. They're expert at a certain type of product. They're land assembly agents. So they are different type of real estate agent. They're not all the same. Number 2 is the listing agents get all the commission, and that is not true either. As on the listing side and even on the buying side, the commission goes through the brokerage, and the brokerage takes a certain amount of percentage that either pays for the office, and they have service fee and the deal fees, all sorts of fees that's taken away from the actual initial commission that you thought the listing agent is getting. So which is not true, they're not getting everything. And number 3 is baking cookies sells your home faster. That is a lie. Baking cookies does not sell your home faster. So if you have a real estate agent or you read online that is a tip that baking cookies on your open house, that with the smell that will make your home sell faster, or the buyers will fall in love with your home, a lie, especially at this market right now. But if you are going to do that, you better have some good cookies out for your potential buyers. Number 4 is multiple offer. It gives an advantage to sellers, and that is wrong. Especially in this market right now, you will see some brokers and some agents will tell you to sharply price your home that's way under market value, and hopefully to attract a lot of traffic, to bring buyers in and to get them to bid up. You know, like back in 2016, 2017, multiple offer season, what you're gonna get is low multiple offers, and I've seen it time and time again the last 2 months that they priced it sharply, and they're just getting lowball offers, and it's still multiple, but the seller is not getting the amount of one, and the expectation is not set, and that is bad. And lastly is the home inspector will tell you to buy a home or not to buy a home based on the fail or pass inspection. That is not good, and that is a lie. The home inspector does not tell you or make the decision for you as a buyer, oh, this home is good to go, it's good to purchase. That is a liability for them. So if you have a home inspector telling you that, you might want to question how they're doing business. That is all. But those are 5 real estate myths, so hopefully debunked for you that those are not necessarily true. So thank you so much for tuning in for Quick Tip Tuesday. I know this is a little bit different this time around, but I want to share something a little bit more fun, a little bit something that you guys might be wondering as a buyer or seller. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys like this video, like it and share. Again, my name is Vincent Lim. I'm with Vancity Experts Real Estate Group, and I'll see you guys for another tip next Tuesday.